VidIQ remains one of the most widely recognized and frequently used tools among YouTube creators who are eager to optimize their videos, increase engagement, and accelerate the growth of their channels. But in an ever-evolving digital landscape, is it still a valuable tool in 2025? Does it provide enough benefits to justify the time and potential cost of using it? In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the key features vidIQ offers, explore how it can assist you in gaining more views and subscribers, and ultimately determine whether it is a smart investment for the long-term success of your channel. vidIQ is a comprehensive tool specifically designed to support YouTubers by enhancing their video SEO, conducting in-depth keyword research, analyzing competitors, and even providing AI-powered content recommendations to improve video performance. The platform offers both free and paid subscription plans, with more advanced functionalities unlocked in the premium versions. Many content creators rely on vidIQ to stay ahead of trends, identify high-performing keywords, optimize their video titles and descriptions for better discoverability, and monitor their channel's overall performance through detailed analytics and insights. One of the most crucial factors in achieving consistent growth on YouTube is selecting the right video topics that resonate with your audience and attract new viewers. vidIQ offers a powerful feature specifically designed to help creators uncover trending and high-performing content ideas. By utilizing the keyword research tool, you gain access to valuable insights on which topics have a high search volume but relatively low competition. This information allows you to make strategic content decisions, increasing your chances of ranking higher in search results and reaching a broader audience. Additionally, you can track specific keywords that are performing well within your niche, enabling you to refine your content strategy over time. Instead of guessing which topics might work, you can rely on data-driven insights to focus on ideas that have a proven track record of gaining traction. This not only saves you time, but also increases the likelihood of your videos attracting more views and engagement. Another highly beneficial feature vidIQ provides is its competitor analysis tool, which gives you a deeper understanding of what's working in your niche. With this tool, you can monitor which videos are performing exceptionally well on other channels within your industry. vidIQ provides detailed metrics, such as engagement rates, views per hour, and trending content, giving you a clearer picture of successful content strategies. By analyzing these trends, you can make more informed decisions about your own content, avoiding the trial and error approach that often slows down growth. If a particular video topic is gaining traction on another channel with a similar target audience, there's a strong possibility that a related topic could also perform well on your own channel. However, it's important to use this tool for inspiration rather than imitation. Simply copying another creator's content won't lead to long-term success. Instead, aim to put your own unique spin on popular topics, ensuring that your videos stand out while still capitalizing on proven trends. vidIQ also includes an advanced AI coach, a feature designed to provide personalized insights and actionable tips tailored to your channel's specific performance metrics. The AI coach can generate video ideas based on trending topics, recommend the best times to post for maximum reach, and analyze the types of content that resonate most with your audience. This is especially beneficial for beginners who may still be learning the fundamentals of video SEO, content planning, and audience engagement. By leveraging AI-driven insights, creators can gain a deeper understanding of what works and refine their content strategies accordingly. The AI coach helps identify key performance patterns, such as which topics consistently drive higher engagement, which video formats tend to perform best, and when your audience is most active on the platform. Having this level of data-driven guidance can significantly improve your ability to create content that aligns with viewer preferences and boosts overall channel growth. Another standout feature that vidIQ offers is its Chrome extension, which seamlessly integrates with YouTube to provide real-time data and insights as you browse the platform. This tool allows you to analyze not only your own videos, but also those of competitors, helping you stay informed about trending content and industry shifts. With the extension, you can quickly access important metrics such as keyword rankings, engagement rates, and trending video statistics without leaving YouTube. This level of convenience makes it easier to optimize your content strategy on the go. Whether you're looking to fine-tune your video metadata, research high-performing keywords, or study audience engagement trends, having instant access to this data can be a game-changer. Instead of relying on trial and error, you can make well-informed, data-driven decisions that increase your chances of success on YouTube. VidIQ's AI-powered video generator is another intriguing feature that has gained attention among content creators. This tool is designed to streamline the video creation process by generating complete scripts, titles, descriptions, and even AI-powered voiceovers. The idea behind it is to help YouTubers save time and effort by automating some of the more time-consuming aspects of content creation. While the concept itself is promising, the execution is not yet flawless. Many of the AI-generated scripts tend to lack the depth, engagement, and retention strategies necessary to keep viewers watching until the end. Without a human touch, the content may feel somewhat generic or fail to maintain a compelling narrative. Additionally, while the AI-generated titles and descriptions aim to be optimized for SEO, they don't always hit the mark. Effective YouTube optimization requires a mix of creativity, keyword placement, and audience psychology, something AI still struggles to perfect. The voiceovers, while functional, often sound robotic and lack the natural tone and expressiveness that human narrators provide, which can make videos feel less engaging. If you're looking for a fully automated video creation solution, this tool may not yet be the best option for producing high-quality, audience-retaining content. However, it can still serve as a useful starting point for brainstorming video ideas, structuring scripts, or generating rough drafts that you can refine and personalize. While AI can assist in the creative process, human input is still essential for crafting compelling and engaging videos that resonate with viewers. Another con is that while VidIQ has a free version, many of its most powerful features are locked behind paid plans. If you are just starting out and don't want to spend money, you may find the free version somewhat limiting.